What's up, guys? MKV here with 2015-2016 Upper Deck Series 2 hobby box. I'll be opening for you guys right now. So here we go. Hopefully I can get some good Canuck PC cards, but I'm basically just trying to get the base set. I completed base set number 1 for the series 1. Which I think won't have a problem completing the base set here. I'm just looking at the cards right now. Oh, we got a shiny of Milan Lucic. OPG insert. Waiting for a young gun of some sorts. Sorry guys, this might be a little bit of a longer video, but I don't want to rush through these cards. I will try to go as quick as possible though and show you all the inserts and young guns and rookie cards I get. Oh, what do we have here? Wow, a red border Jack Eichel. Come on, focus camera, focus. There we go. Jack Eichel red OPG rookie card. Wow. It's a pretty big hit. I don't know if I'll be putting that up on eBay, probably. Alrighty, so that's a pretty good start, I must admit. Okay, should be coming up to our first young gun now. Yep, there we go. Frank Vatrano for the Boston Bruins young gun. I like these young guns. I really do. I pulled a McDavid in my I bought a tin of Series 1 and I pulled a McDavid a couple months ago. So hopefully I get another young gun. Mark Alt for the Philadelphia Flyers. So we're coming up to Monday, the trade deadline. Who do you guys, oh, we got a canvas of John Klingberg. Who do you think is going to get moved? Any big trades you guys are expecting? You know, a couple days ago, Andrew Ladd just got traded, and Oilers sent Nielsen to the Blues. Then we got a Nicholas Bataan OPG rookie card. Just gonna move these base to the side here. I don't have a lot of room on my desk. I'm doing something different today. This is my computer desk. My first video I was on the ground. It wasn't that comfortable for me, so we have another canvas of Ryan Callahan for the Tampa Bay Lightning. I like how they added a little bit more rookie cards. Like rookie portraits, rookie OPG cards, and then of course young guns you get. So it's not a bad product. It's pretty easy to collect the whole base set in 1 or 2 boxes. Oh, we got our first rookie materials, Emile Poirier for the Calgary Flames. I really like these jersey cards a lot. I like the design. I wish they did that more. They actually use a pretty decent sized piece of jersey instead of like some cards have like the tiniest piece of jersey. But yeah, look at all these base cards. Oh, we got a Garrett Sparks young gun for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Pretty nice young gun. I'm happy about that one. But I would like some Canuck hits. Come on. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this video. And if not, oh, we got a rookie of Anton Slapyshev. If you haven't checked out my last video of the select box, go ahead and go to my page and watch that. Pulled a couple nice cards. But after, oh, we got Colin Miller, Boston Bruins rookie card. I don't know what boxes I'm gonna have coming in soon. SBX, I got a couple boxes on pre-order. I don't know what kind of boxes I'm gonna get. I'm gonna have to save up a little bit more money now. If you have any ideas of what boxes I should buy, let me know in the comments below. Oh, we got another young gun. Marcus Ranikainen? Some of these names are really hard. These young guns. So we're about halfway through the box, if not more. Nothing crazy yet. Here's our series checklist. Nothing special. Just a base card. Oh, we got a Josh Anderson Upper Deck Portraits rookie card, I guess. Rookie. Trying to go through this as fast as possible, guys. We got another Portraits. Henrik Samuelsson for the Arizona Coyotes. Nice little rookie card right there. Much would have rather have like Max Domi, but hey, Samuelsson works. Have you guys bought any of these Series 2? And if so, what's your best young gun you pulled in one of these boxes? Let me know in the comments. So I haven't pulled anyone that great yet. We got Jordan Wheel Portraits. I guess Garrett Sparks is probably my best young gun so far. Kind of hoping for a little bit better. Even like a Vancouver one. I'd love a Virtanen one. That would be great. Oh, there we go. In Vancouver, Jared McCann Upper Deck Portraits. First Vancouver hit. That's my main PC's Vancouver. Oh, rookie card. Andres Athanasiou for the Detroit Red Wings. That's an OPG rookie. A lot of OPG inserts in this product. A lot. We got a Young Guns of Gustav Olofsson. What a weird last name. Holy. That is spelled weird. Coming up to the end of our oh, we got TJ Oshie OPG insert. Obviously not a rookie, just an insert from OPG. Nothing huge yet though in this box, unfortunately. I mean, if I wasn't collecting the base, I'd be a little bit upset so far, but hey. Linus Ullmark, Young Gun for the Buffalo Sabres. Like I said earlier, I really like these Young Gun. Like the look of them. Really sharp looking card. We got a Bobby Ryan canvas card. Not a super huge fan of the canvas, but I get it's pretty cool, I guess, but not the biggest fan. But yeah, you get a lot of cards. You get a lot of cards. There we go. Eunice. That was another rookie for the San Jose Sharks. Coming up to the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it so far. You do get a lot of stuff in here for your money. Sorry, this video, there goes a card. Daniel Sedin, Upper Deck Canvas. This video was kind of long, guys. Hopefully you don't mind it. If you're still watching right now, thank you for watching. And that's the last pack. This is the last pack, guys. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we got, a rookie of Max Domi. Nice. Alright, guys, that's it for the Series 2 box. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I will see you next time. See you later, guys.